Hey everybody, welcome back to the Underground Lair. We had ourselves a conundrum. We were going to buy from Stuart McDonald a $45 folding guitar inspection mirror, folding. But instead I thought, they make these things for DIY, stuff on, you can get it at Hobby Lobby. I think that's where I got mine. But DYI acrylic mirrors has a paper backing, easy for you to mark, and it has a protective screen so to protect you if you're moving around here. And it's not really thick, so what we're going to need is a brand new Craftsman utility knife blade in your knife. You're going to need some really sticky tape. I determined what I want to do is I'm going to go with 2 inches. I think this was 2 inches. Yeah. 2 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Alright, so what we need to do is try line this up the best I can. Found that marking with a mechanical pencil wasn't doing me any favors. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Make sure we're still on the line good. That looks good. Hold it down. And it's making the blade move. Slippery paper. Don't move, blade. We may have to cut that again. Yeah. Let's do that again, but not so rough. Okay, so we have our 2-inch piece. That's how you learn, right, boys and girls? Actually, let's see what we have here. Let's go with, we'll just say here. There's 2.5. 2.5. It's a very waxy kind of paper. It doesn't like to mark real well with a pencil. Okay, that's good enough. We're just going to score this several times. Damn it. Should take the roller down. Ruler. Did I say roller? Here breaking there. So there's our second piece. Okay, so there's our 2.5. So we have a 2, a 2.5, and we're going to have another 2. I think, is that I measured? Yeah. So this is a 2. So we're going to hold it down. Lightly score. There we go. We're free. Okay. So now we have our 2-inch, 2.5-inch, and two-inch square. We can get rid of this. By the way, the length on this is 9 inches. Total width is going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of, because you have to space these out because you need it to fold, right? So approximately 6 5/8 wide when it's fully extended. Alright, so I got my sticky back mirrored things on this piece of paper, which is an old Seymour Duncan wiring diagram. Just remove the paper off the back. Okay, so once again, we're lining up with a gap, lining up with the gap. Okay. This is just to hold it in place for temporary. Now you can see where I'm coming from. Now we get our retrieval string, which I'm going to put a knot in. So it'd be harder to pull apart from under the tape. Okay, there we go. So we're going to give ourselves enough to yank that string out. We'll go right there. That's where the knot is. Across here. Pull that knot, string straight. Okay, now we have a foldable mirror. So we can fold it up, stick it inside the guitar, and then yank it out. Oh, mirrory. Trifold inspection mirror. $5, I think. I'll actually find a link on wherever I bought this and put it in the description below. At any rate, we have to put a LR Baggs Anthem in a inspired by Gibson Epiphone J45. So that's why I built this. Links below. Please like and subscribe. Hit the star. If you need your guitar brought up to par, send us instant message on the Facebooks. Peace.